The reason why everybody's here.
Alright? Okay, at this point, let's magbilang kayo ng 10, 9, 8 until 1. Okay? Alright, are you ready to count? Maragula manina ka pa, nakakapay dito. Oh. Are you ready to count? Oh, dapat ano yung energy ha? Tumbasan yung energy. Are you ready to kiss? Ready, Sir Ryan. Ladies and gentlemen, dapat loud ang pagbilang nyo sa 10, 9, 8 until 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the 10 seconds kiss in 3, 2, 1, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! At mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Maraming salamat naman sa inyo. Thank you so much, guys, for doing the count. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you, the newlywed Riley John in 3, 2, 1, A. Oh, sabay tayo ha. In 3, 2, 1, mag-A tayo. In 3, 2, 1, A! A means yes. Yes to love, right? Okay, so now, Rhea, congratulations. How does it feel? Finally, it's your wedding day. By the way, you look so pretty in your day, no? Ang ganda-ganda ng day niya today. Parang hindi ka na-stress. How does it feel now that you are, that you married Ryan? Ano ang feeling? Wow, feeling love. That's nice. That's nice to hear. What about you, Ryan? Kahapon lamang girlfriend mo itong si Rhea, and today she is your wife. How do you explain that? How do you feel? How do you feel now? Wow. The bride feel loved and the groom feel blessed. That's nice. We want to know your story. Kailan ba kayo at saan kayo nagkakilala, Ryan?
Southern Christian College na nag-aaral pa.
You were schoolmates then. Ilang taon na tayo nakaraan?
Southern din.
6 years ago. And then, ano ba, nung nakita mo si Rhea, was it love at first sight? Or, nasupladahan ka sa kanya? Ano ba yung parang, ano yung first impression mo kayo sa asawa mo?
Ginaan ko lang po
Siyempre, ganda.
So you find her pretty. Tapos, nung nakita mo siya, of course, nagandahan ka sa kanya, nag-alinlangan ka ba? Naligawan siya? Or, nangyari na lang lahat-lahat?
Actually, kasi naging friends kami ng 2 years.
Ay, that's nice. Your foundation is very strong if that's the case. No? So, you were friends, tapos, unti-unti na-develop ang love mo sa kanya. Wow, that's nice. Rhea's third. Ikaw naman, Rhea, nung niligawan ka ng kaibigan mo, anong naramdaman mo? Awkward ba? Kasi for your friends, right? I mean, you know a lot of things already. Tapos, niligawan ka. So, ano ba? Awkward? Or inasam mo din naligawan ka, right? Doon mga ganyan, no? In a circle of friends, minsan naasam natin na, ay, tapos sana, no? So, inasam mo si Ryan.
Yeah!
Wow, that's nice. And what are the 3 things that you like about your husband?
Caring. Fun. Grabe magpabusay ang pride.
That's bihira ang taong ganyan.
Tapos, grabe, walang bakit niya yung family.
Yes, family oriented. That's nice. Ikaw naman, Ryan, what are the 3 things that you like about your wife, about Rhea? Ano yung mga nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Siguro, pasensyosa. Pasensyosa. Mas palangga po niya ang parents.
Wow, that's nice.
Para sa video.
One more.
Siyempre, guwapa.
Wow, of course, given. And of Well, we want to know because you know, usually right after wedding, ang mapupuntahan ng barkada pamilya ninyong binyagan or ano no, or birthday ng bata. How many children do you want to have in the future?
Siguro mga 5.
Ikaw, Ma'am Rhea, agree ka ba na 5 anak ang gusto nyo someday?
3 lang.
Oh, meet halfway. Anyway, whatever God gives, no? That's truly a blessing. Alright, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, maghaharapan na po ang ating bagong kasal, face each other, Ryan and Rhea. Because in their wedding reception, the couple has to thank each other. Kasi nga, pinakasalan nila isa't isa. Now, let's listen to the
Lagi nila wala. So, wala to.
wow, there you